North London. North London is clapped pack. We are smoking. The North London is clapped pack. Paint watches Arsenal dry. Most boring North London derby I think I have ever watched. However, it is the history of the Topspurs. Hold that. Hold that. Another 3 points. It better lead to a title because Jesus Christ, we were all falling asleep watching that. Anyone who actually survived the whole game, give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself a standing ovation. Yeah, because that was horrible. Honestly, we play like that against Aston Villa, it's going to be a long day. Yeah, they've just beaten Everton 1-0 at Goodison. But anyway, let's go through the performances. Big up to everyone who's locked in as well. Smash the like button. 113,450 on the sub count. Give yourselves another pat on the back. Bless up to everyone who is subbing. Emergency meeting is coming up. It won't be an all-nighter because I need 9 hours sleep, not a 9-hour meeting, mate. Yeah, right. That was a hard watch. A very hard watch. Corner again, ole. Corner. Oh, before we get into the players, pause. All these top gooners, tippity top Reds. They love consistency. Robbed Arsenal. PGMOL has an agenda. Refs hate us. We're ref different. Cool. You wanting consistency tonight then after that corner was given and it weren't a corner and the ref was looking straight at it? And then we scored from it. You want inconsistent? Oh, no, of course you don't because it's against Tottenham and it's for Arsenal. Now, this is why, stop listening to these people that cry about referees. This is why I don't moan about refs. They're crap. But they're crap for everybody. Yeah, at the weekend, we got a penalty that weren't a penalty. At the weekend, Delo got a second yellow, weren't a second yellow, never touched him. We still didn't win the game. But anyway, is what it is, isn't it? Today, we got the result. We're 4 points behind Liverpool. We've gone above Nottingham Forest. Yes, we're above Nottingham Forest. Woohoo. We're above Forest. 2 points above Nuno. We've got the same amount of league wins as him. Yes, you heard correctly. We have got the same amount of league wins as Nuno at Forest. They have a better striker than us, but we'll get to them in a second. Goalkeeper didn't really have anything to do, really, did he? Didn't really have a great deal to do. Lewis Skelly. First North London derby for the first team. What a performance. Well done to you, fella. Yeah, well done to you. You were outstanding today. Fair play to you, mate. Yeah, you were quality. Yeah, and the thing is, this is what it is. Yeah, this is why I look at things sometimes from a different lens. The goggles, the Jurgens. I look from a different lens. You can't just rush these players in. Yeah, it's nice sometimes. Yeah, just go on, throw the lads in, throw all the kids in, put all the kids in the team. Yeah, and sometimes when the team is so shit, yeah, just go and do it. See what they do, sink or swim in it. But the fact that he played so well today is because of a number of reasons. Number one, he's played quite a lot of game time recently, so he's up to that sharpness, like proper match sharpness. Number two, he actually understands what that game means to the fan base. Not that I give a shit. I couldn't care less. Tottenham are shit. They've always been shit. Yeah, they're not my rival. I say it all the time. They're not my rival. However, for the fan base, the majority of them, even though they were down the lane on the 14th of May, North London together, unicorns and sparkles and all that crap. They do get a bit giddy when we beat Tottenham, which is cool. Fair play. Do what you got to do, innit? But he's played in our youth academy and he's played Tottenham multiple times for youth academy level. So he actually understands it as well. He's grown up in the academy. He's in the first team. He's gassed. Yeah, he's absolutely buzzing that he's starting. And he puts that performance in. Mate, you were quality today. Yeah, fair play. Now do that again, please. Yeah, do that again. Let's go to the opposite side. Timber. I thought he was pretty poor in the first half. Kept giving the ball away. That pass from Spence, that Travella pass from Spence, that was him giving the ball away. But I thought the longer the game went on, better he got. I thought he was quality second half. Locked off Sonny. Didn't even know he was on the pitch in the second half. Centre-back, Saliba was a bit iffy today. However, Gabriel, he got man of the match, I think. He's not my man of the match, although he's very close to being man of the match. He made 2 unbelievable blocks today. Yeah, clearances for Solanke. One from the Jed Spence pass and then another one in the second half. Yeah, unbelievable clearances. Fair play to him, man. Fair play to him. Obviously, he was involved in the goal. I know it's gone down as an own goal. After about 50 billion corners, time wasting, taking a minute and a half to take corners and free kicks and all that crap again. We actually eventually scored one. Set piece again, LA. But he was very good today. Midfield, Thomas Partey. That's my man of the match. That is my man of the match. Fair play to you, mate. That's what happens when you play in midfield. Play him at right back, and we never win. Play him in midfield is the best midfielder on the park. Pretty fucking obvious, isn't it? I don't need 15 million quid. Well, I'd like 15 million quid a year, but I don't need coaching badges. Yeah, and fucking all this tactical crap and fucking set piece coach and this and that and all the analytics and all of this to know that Thomas Partey is our best midfielder. So play him in midfield. Not rocket science, lads. Pretty fucking obvious. Anyway, Declan Rice. Decline Rice. Declan Couscous. That turned into Declan Jollof today. Declan Jollof. Played very well today. Very well. Them 4 players that I've mentioned, Gabriel, Skelly, Partey, Rice, head and shoulders above the rest of that team, because the rest of them, oh my days. Yeah, Timber was all right. Saliba weren't too bad. But now let's go to the attacking line. Oh my days. Our club captain. Bye-bye. More arm waves than goals. More arm waves in this game than goals since April. Stop doing that. Give the armband to Gabriel. Yeah. And put a transfer request in. You are shit. My daughter is 15. And I swear she can strike a football a lot harder than you can. This guy is awful. I don't want to hear no chat. I don't want to hear no chat. I'm sick to death of it. I've been saying it for the longest. This guy's a scrub. He ain't good enough to play for Arsenal. If we want to go and win major honours, he ain't it, mate. He really ain't. Anyway, let's go out to the left wing. Trossardinho. I told you he's the best finisher at the club. He proved that again today. However, he's been absolutely awful for months. But fair play. You took the chance and you said, nah, I ain't passing to that scrub, that German donkey in midfield, because he is always in midfield. He's never in the penalty box for a cross. I'm not passing it to him. He'll miss it anyway. So he slapped it straight in. Excuse me. Got a little bit fortunate that it bounced and the keeper got his palm of his hand to it, but it bounced just as it got there. But a good finish. Well done, Trossard, man. Well done. And we went in 2-1 at half time. But yeah, he was pretty good today. He was pretty good today. It wasn't an amazing performance from him, but he was pretty good today. On the other side, oh my days. Oh my days. Raheem Shillings. Send him back to Chelsea, please. Terminate that deal. Send him back. Absolute shit show. You haven't seen the best of me. How many times have I said on here, we have, mate. You owe Kevin De Bruyne 3/4 of your wages that you've earned since you joined Man City. We did see the best of you, mate, at Man City. Yeah, and that was because Kevin De Bruyne was laying him on the back stick and you were tapping him in. Let's just be real with it. That guy, right in the first half, after about 8 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that, yeah, there was a ball played through to him. Yeah. And what was he doing? He stopped running. You're through on goal, mate. What are you doing? Second half, he was a calamity second half. He got locked up by Jed Spence in the first most of it. Second half, him and that German giraffe, bruv. Them 2 Chelsea scrubs. We have got 2/3 of Chelsea's strike force or attack or forward players that finished 12th. We just need to get Timo Werner and we completed the set in it. Was it Timo Werner that finished 12th? Maybe he weren't there. Maybe it fucked off back to Germany by then. Either way, yeah. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired of seeing that German giraffe up front, bruv. Oh, but we have to cheer him when his name's read out. Why? Oh, but he's been getting abused. Don't read your DMs. They're in requests, mate. No disrespect. Nobody should be abusing him on his DMs, yeah? Don't be a prat. Don't be messaging his missus. Like, are you fucking tapped? Like, real talk, what is that all about, by the way? Like, why are you messaging the geezer's missus on Instagram? You're a weirdo. However, why is she sat straight on Instagram after a loss to Man United looking at her requests on DMs? Because if you don't follow that particular person, it goes into the requests folder, which means you actively have to go to requests and scroll through them and open them and look at them. Why are you doing that? Yeah, come on. Let's stop chatting shit here. The guy's not good enough. Yeah, but let's not be DMing him or DMing his missus. That's pathetic. But the guy is trash. Yeah, and there was a phase of play in that second half where him and Sterling both tripped over the ball inside 5 seconds in the box. Get them both out, man. Yeah, end this now. Seriously. If we had a competent striker out there, a competent attacking midfielder, and a proper winger out there today, we would have slapped them 5. Because the amount of chances we had, yeah, that never resulted in a shot, yeah, because we tripped over and it went out for a goal kick or a corner, yeah, or resulted in a P-roller shot from our captain twice. Now, go and get a proper number 10, mate. Go and get a proper striker. Go and get a proper winger. Go and get a proper fucking manager. See the way our manager was celebrating at the end like he just won a treble. You've just knocked us out of 2 cups, mate. Get out of here, man. Oh, but Lee, you're moaning after a win. Yeah, because that ain't sustainable football that we've been watching. The only reason we got that result today is because they're shit and we got lucky with a ref decision. That's it. Anyway, Kenny's next. Jez Matty, emergency meeting. Bosh, Cronky out.